everyone, my name is Akila, and today I will explain my phonology project. In this presentation, I will talk about syllables, emphasis, some phonological process, and stress pattern in English. First, let's start with syllables. A syllable is a unit of pronunciation that consists of a vowel sound with or without surrounding consonant. A syllable can form a whole word or part of a word. In English, syllables have three main parts. The first one is onset, which is the sound before the vowels. The second is nucleus, which is the vowel sound and the core of the syllable. And the last one is coda, which is the sound after the vowels. For example, in the word cat, the sound k is the onset, a is the nucleus, and the t is the coda. Role of syllable. Speech rhythm and timing organizes sound into manageable units. Word structure determines word boundaries. Stress pattern. Syllable carry stress in word. Phonological rules affects pronunciation process. For example, words like water, tiger, banana, computer, and 11 have different numbers of syllables, which affect how they are pronounced. This is the reference of syllable. Rothsby, 2019. English Phonetic and Phonology, a practical course, Cambridge University Press. Leitch, P. and Johnson K. 2014. A course in phonetic and change learning. Next, I will explain emphasis. Emphasis is a phonological process where an extra sound, usually a vowel or consonant, is inserted into a word. The purpose is to make pronunciation easier or to fit the phonological rules of a language. A difficult consonant cluster makes words easier to pronounce, adapt foreign words to native phonology. Vowel emphasis, adding a vowel sound. Consonant emphasis, adding a consonant sound. For example, the word X is often pronounced as X. Athlete become athlete. Spaghetti become spaghetti. And film becomes film. This change happened because speakers try to make pronunciation easier in natural speech. SB 2009 Introductory Phonology, while Blackwell, Conservancy, and Jessup H. 2017 Understanding Phonology Routledge. Now, let's move to the case study 1. First, assimilation. Assimilation happens when sounds influence each other in connecting speech. For example, gonna comes from going to, kinda comes from kind of, wanna comes from want to. These changes occur in fast or casual speech to make pronunciation smoother. Next is metasis. Metasis is when sounds swap position within a word. For example, X instead of X, spaghetti instead of spaghetti, and animal instead of animal. This change often happens because of speech habits. Other examples of emphasis include film for film, athlete from athlete, and grandma from grandma. This change makes words easier to pronounce in casual speech. And now, part of FPA. Comfortable, probable, accommodated, massive, governor, texture, athlete, experience, gladiator, happening, generation, material, surface, intensive, category, intricate, department, gratitude, ethical, spontaneous. Now, let's move to the case study 2, which focuses on stress pattern. First is stress specific suffixes. In words like helpful, careless, and darkness, the stress remains on the original syllable even after adding a suffix. Next is stress attractive suffixes. For example, education, musician, and geology. In this word, the stress moves to the syllable before the suffix, such as science, ion, and geology. The last type is stress-specific. Examples include democratic, economic, and photographic. In this word, the stress shifts to a different syllable after adding a suffix. That is the explanation of syllable, epentasis, phonological process, and stress pattern in English. Thank you for listening.